In this video, we are going to use some commands for know our system information Linux. The first command is list. This is very useful, and the command tells us that the list is this directory contents, and with this command have these flags. For example, ls with flag A, and we have these directories, and we have in mode of list too, and in other order in the time, for example with the flag T. Other command is list hw list hardware, and we have the products of hardware. For example, this is a Dell computer with integrated webcam, PC speakers, and the man of this tells us that it's a list of hardware. It's a small tool to extract detailed information on the hardware configuration of the machine. The third command is hardware info. And this command tells us the same information but with more detail. Keyboards, CPU, mouse, etc. The man tells us that this is a proof for hardware and is used for proof for the hardware present in the system. It can be used to generate a system overview log which can be later used for support. The next command is list peripheral computer interconnect. And we have a graphical card, audio device, PCI bridge, universal serial bus, network controller, etc. The man tells us that this is list all PCI devices. PCI is peripheral component interconnect. The next command is lsscsi. LSS, and the man tells us that this is a list of small computer system interfaces devices. In this case, we have the disk and the CD DVD. The next command is list USB, list universal serial bus, and we have the list the Wi-Fi, for example, 19, the tablet, and the man tells us that it is a list of USB devices and is a utility for displaying information about USB uses in the system and the devices connected to them. The next command is inchi, and this command tells us information about CPU, kernel, storage, process, shell, speed, etc. The man tells us that this command line system information script for console and IRC. IRC is Internet Relay Chat. The next command is list CPU. And this command tells us about the architecture, address size, vendor, CPU family, threads per core, etc. The man tells us display information about the CPU architecture. The next command is df, and we have information about the space in the disks. Report file system space usage is in the description. Display the amount of space available on the file system containing each file name argument. We have file system, blocks, used, available, percentage usage, and mounted on, and the address. The next command is ls block list block, and tells us the name, size, type, and the manual tells us that this is a list block devices. Lists information about all available or the specific block devices. The next command is fdisk, and fdisk is for manipulate this partition table. We need some carrier for this command because it's for manipulate disk. The next command is mount, and mount is for mount a file system, for example an USB or other disks in your hardware. The next command is free, and this command tells us about the space in disk 2. It's similar to fd, and display amount of free and used memory in the system. Next command is list memory, and tell us the size, state, block removable, and memory block size, total online memory, and tell us this is the range of available memory with their online status. The next command is hdparm, and the manual tells us get SATA ID device parameters. Provides a command line interface to various kernel interfaces supported by the Linux SATA PATA SAS and the older ID drivers system. The next command is list mode. This command tells us about the module or information, and the man tells show the status of modules in the Linux kernel. Tables, reads, inputs, etc. Media, etc. Okay, I hope that this video will be useful for you, and I see you in the next video.